The world of tomato suckers can be so confusing for beginning gardeners. So I just want to try to help you along with it because sometimes they just say to me, I don't get it. So we're gonna try and get this together. So come on, let's go. So some people get very confused, and rightfully so, because there's so much information and it is confusing, you know, especially when you're brand new to gardening, and we don't want to confuse the issue. So, you know, the suckers, as we know, have to come off of the tomato plant because that will take extra energy instead of seeing these beautiful blossoms, which is going to be tomatoes. But so many people say, well, how can I tell a sucker from just leaves? Well, here's a sucker, okay? I'm going to pinch it off of here and I'm going to show you. This sucker has absolutely nothing going on it. It's just leaves. So that's a sucker, and you want to take those off right at the base of the plant. Now, if you see something like this, which is, you know, a few different leaves gathered together, and they usually have a fuzzy spot on them. See right there, there's a fuzzy spot. That is not a sucker. That's going to grow into fruit. Now see this one here? He's big and all he's got is leaves. He's got no fuzzies on him. That's a sucker. Let's take him right off. But this leaf here is attached to this fuzziness. So we're going to let that be because those are tomatoes on there. So hopefully today I helped you with the world of tomato suckers, that they're not that confusing, because one of my favorite things are keeping on top of those little critters, those tomato suckers, to create a better plant. So yeah, I'm hoping that I helped you today, and you have a great day.